Today's lesson is about surface area of a cylinder. Let's have a look at how the side length of the rectangle is equal to the circumference of the circle. Before we get started on using the formula, I'd like to show you how the side length of the curved surface, or the rectangle of a net, correlates to the circumference of the top or bottom. So let's have a look at this little video. Let's consider this cylinder. First, let's have a look at the formula. So what you'll notice in the formula is we have to take into consideration the top and bottom circle. So the area of a circle is pi r squared and pi r squared. So we have two of those, and that's taken into consideration here with the 2 pi r squared. Now our other shape, we said that the length of the circle is the circumference, so that's 2 pi r, and the height of the cylinder. So when we multiply those two things, we get the area of the rectangle. Now that we know where those bits and pieces come from, first we're going to make our little legend. So I want to know what my r is. In this case, it's equal to 2. And what my h is. In this case, it's equal to 5. So we're going to use this information to help build our formula. So the first thing we're going to do is write down our formula. The next thing we're going to do is plug in or substitute in the values that we know. Okay, so we know our radius is 2. And our height is 5. From here, we're going to follow order of operations. So we're going to have two terms that will add together in the end. And those terms will be 25.1 and 62.8 for a total of 87.9, and our units are centimeters squared. And for our final step, we just want to put a little box around our answer. Now that we've done this example together, there's also an anchor chart over on the side Blackboard. I want you to practice the 9 or 10 questions that are posted in the Google Classroom. The solutions are also included, so you can check your work as you go. And remember that the most important part is showing me your work.